Finally got to sign that marijuana petition on campus today. Been difficult for me too. Oh, bro, seen Laura today? She fucked up. Mommy went from sweet to sour. She's snorting cane or something, man. Damn.
What's up, Dudley and Elci? The stoner's here. Got the shrooms, my kit, the drugs are now on wheels.
Better dead that shit, son. Saw a documentary on drug side effects. Better leave it alone. Elci mentioned Laura was a basehead. Looks like you're gonna be a pookie. Amigo, you're a baby crackhead.
Never hit base a day in my life, bro. I'm a stoner, a pillolinologist. Turned down for what?
A stoner got stoned today, Dudley. Never correlated the pun until now. Only difference is the stoner was our home. Our home. Off limits, Elci. While we're here, let's paint a positive picture for the future. This is merely a lesson in our chapter. Let's head back to campus. We have some exams to prepare for.
Hey, this the stoner music.